You can clear an equation of decimals by multiplying each side of the equation by a power of 10. To choose the power of 10, identify the greatest number of digits to the right of any decimal point in the equation. Problem 5. Solving an equation that contains decimals. What is the solution of 3.5 minus 0.02x equals 1.24? Well, consider your plan. The equation contains tenths, 3.5 being an example, and hundredths. 0.02 is the same as 2 hundredths, and 1.24 could be stated as 1 24 hundredths. The greatest number of digits to the right of any decimal point is 2, so multiply each side of the equation by 10 to the second power, or 100, to clear the decimals. First, rewrite the equation 3.5 minus 0.02x equals 1.24, and then multiply each side of the equation by 100. When we distribute 100 on the left-hand side, 100 times 3.5 is 350. 100 times a minus 0.02x is minus 2x. And on the right-hand side, 100 times 1.24 is 124. Now we have the equation without decimals. 350 minus 2x equals 124. That should be much nicer to work with. Now we'll use inverse operations. Subtract 350 from each side. 350 minus 2x minus 350 equals 124 minus 350. On the left, we're left with negative 2x, and on the right, negative 226. Since we need to isolate x, and right now we have x times a negative 2, we'll use the inverse of multiplying by negative 2. That's to divide by negative 2. And what we do to one side of the equation we'll also do to the other. So we'll divide each side by negative 2. Negative 2x divided by negative 2 is simply x. And negative 226 divided by negative 2, a negative divided by a negative is a positive. And 226 divided by 2 is 113. So our simplest form, x equals 113. Your turn. What is the solution of 0.5x minus 2.325 equals 3.95?